Hello and welcome to this Prospect 365 CRM video where we'll be looking at how to create datasets. Datasets are effectively multiple filters that you would frequently apply to your CRM reports. Therefore, rather than applying these multiple filters each time you create or view a report, you can just simply apply a saved dataset. This video will use the example of a sales region which includes a particular group of salespersons, which would need to be applied to all sales reports. Another advantage of datasets is that if you need to change the filters, such as adding a new salesperson, then you just have to change it in one place. To create a dataset, you will first need to create a report using the entity that you wish to focus on. Here we have a lead report showing all of the leads currently created within the CRM. We'll now need to apply a filter that we wish to use for the dataset. To apply a filter, click on the Further Options menu and choose the Filter option from the drop-down. This will then open up a side panel where you can add in additional filters by clicking the Add Filters button. We'll then be able to choose the appropriate field that you wish to filter the report by. As mentioned earlier, we're using the example of a sales region, which includes particular salespersons. Therefore, I have selected the salespersons filter just here. Once you've selected your filters, click the Continue button at the bottom. Your new filter will then be added to the side panel. We now need to choose the salespeople who are included in this particular sales region. For example, this might be myself and Andy. As you can see in the background, the leads have now been filtered and are only showing the leads that have a salesperson as myself or Andy. Now that we've applied our filters, we need to save this dataset. In order to save a dataset, just click on the Save icon in the top right-hand corner. You'll then be able to choose the Convert into a Dataset option and give the dataset a name. Make sure this is relevant to all CRM users. They know when to apply this. For example, Midland Region. Once happy with the report name, just click Save. Now that we have saved our new dataset, you can start applying it to the relevant reports. For example, we may wish to apply our new dataset to one of our sales reports featured in the sales report group. To access the sales report group, expand the side panel open and then choose the sales section. Within here, we have plenty of reports for you to use. For example, we may wish to apply our new dataset to the All Open Leads report. Once within the report, you'll need to click on the Further Options icon in the top right-hand corner and then choose the Filter option from the drop-down. We will then need to click on the Add Filters button again. Within here, we'll then have the option of applying a dataset. If you tick that and then click Continue, the dataset will then be added to your side panel of filters. From here, you will then need to choose which dataset you wish to apply. So there is our new one that we had just added, the Midland region. And by applying that dataset, the report is automatically filtered to only show open leads that have a salesperson of either myself or Andy.